morning, everybody. Monday already. My gosh, where did the weekend go? We are here. We got Dark Bro first in the chat. Frank, Dark Bro, Frank. Nick F, good morning to you. Dark Bro, Pudgy, Michael. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name. Becoming a bro. Oh, yes, baby. You guys better see 17 welcome Michaels. Seriously, there's 17 of you in here already. There better be 17 welcome Michaels in the chat right now. Michael, man, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. Really appreciate it, bro. Going to see a Barber Bro this afternoon. I gotta tell you, man, I better see Barber Bro this afternoon. I want to see the Post Office Bro this afternoon so I can make and get J-Bones' hoodie out to him. I want to see Barber Bro this afternoon. I got a lot of bros that I want to see this afternoon. So yes, quite possibly, Nick F. I hope to see Barber Bro this afternoon. Moji, Dark Bro, Moji, Dark Bro. Diddy214, we got Dark Bro with the banana. Oh yes, thank you very much for the banana. This is called the licking stick, everybody. Good way to start your Monday. You take that banana, you tilt your head back, you lick it, and you stick it. Notice the eye contact the entire time. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. We've got Keith, Camp, Missing Link. We got Virgil, Dark Bro, Moji, Matthews in here. J-Bones, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Moji, Pika, Moji, Pika, Z. Oh my gosh. Andrakova, Dark Bro, Moji, Pika, Andrakova. We got Moji, Gary, Pika, Frank, Uncle Chicken, Michael, J-Bones, Real M, Mr. C, and Guillermo. What'd you do with Clay? Neckbeard. It's growing, man. I don't know. Let's see. All right, let's go check the market out real quick. All right. I actually don't know. This may have just tapped me on a put that I had. It may not. I don't even know anymore. I do want to look at that really quick to see if this stupid candle here tapped me on a 10% stop loss. If it didn't, cool. If it did, still, man, 10%, fine with me. But nonetheless, we got AMC in the top left, sitting at 898 right now. Basically, break even, dead even on the day. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1094. We've got GameStop sitting at 282.72. QQQ 287.81 at the moment. Down 0.35% on the day. The NASDAQ down 0.33%, GameStop 0.28% higher, Pure Therapeutics down 1.57%, AMC sitting at 898 at the moment, Ethereum 1344, Shiba 1094, Bitcoin 19,100. It's getting pretty low, guys. Bitcoin's getting pretty low there. Sundial sitting down 2.46% on the day, Mullen Auto 47 cents. That's the lowest it's been, right? Yep. It's the lowest it's been, guys. 47 cents is the low on Mullen Auto. My goodness, my goodness. This is very low. My goodness. Hey, if anybody believes in Mullen Auto, I don't know, man. Now might be the time to start loading up on a dollar cost average basis, because that nonsense is low. Where we at? CEI sitting at 26 cents. CEI very, very low as well. 26.88 cents. The SPY 385.05 right now. BBIG $2 barcoding. Highcroft Mining 74 cents. Netflix is sitting at 237.50 at the moment. We've got Clovis sitting at $1.19, boxed 96 cents, Revlon 644, 31,000 points per coin on Terra Luna Classic. QQQ sitting at 287.85 at the moment, and Ape sitting at $4.65 right now. Crazy. All right, I'm gonna go. Where we at here? I am going to go no camera first. I'm gonna go no camera after I say wait for it. Wait for it. What are we waiting for? Wait for it. What are we waiting for, Dark Bro? I need to know what we're waiting for, man. Oh my goodness, what are we waiting on? Clitinho, first brozinho. Sup, people? What's going on, Mr. Simon? Hopefully you're having a good day today. Chapero, oh yes, Junior, Lunatic Gang. Yo, Nano Trapper, how you guys doing? All right, you guys say hello to each other for a second. I want to go full Weeble, just so I can see if I tapped out or not, so I don't have to sit here and watch it the rest of the day. If I did tap, I'm not even going to be worried about it. Let's see. No, did not tap. Alright, cool. Apparently it did not tap. Apparently I still have the QQQ puts that I bought. Apparently, dude, what is going on, man? Is somebody messaging me? Like, stop with the cutouts. What's happening here? I see what's happening here. All right, we're back. Good to go. All right. Primitive! Everybody, I'm gonna need to see 64 welcome primitives to the chat right now. You guys are fast. You're fast. You should never go full weeble. Oh, I went full weeble, Pudgy. Full weeble, babe. If I didn't go full weeble, it would look like this, man. You guys would be like, what is... I'm trying to find my trade here. What's going on? And that wouldn't be right, man. I wouldn't do that to you guys. Why would I want you looking up my nose while I'm trying to see if I'm still in that trade or not? You know, it's just weird. Dark Bro saying welcome. JB saying welcome. J-Bone saying welcome. Pika Power saying welcome. D's saying, well, he didn't say welcome yet. There's his welcome. Frank saying welcome. AMC Trapid. Boom. Fist bump to Stig Beater. And welcome, Primitive. I love it. Primitive, you are welcome here, my friend. Thank you. I'm a bro. Primitive is a bro. I'm loving it. Thank you for grabbing that green name. Becoming a bro. Now you're one of us, man. Now you're one of us. I don't know what you're going to do, but you're definitely one of us. Primitive, man. Thank you for grabbing that green name, becoming a bro. 68 welcomes in the chat right now. Absolutely loving it. How many, what is this, base points do you think we will be getting hit on the 20th? Steph Currency. I actually like that name, man. It's like Steph Curry, but Steph Currency. Very good name there. I'm thinking 75 basis points, okay? I think we've got some people in here that are thinking we could get hit with 100 basis points or 1 percentage point. You know, I don't know if anybody's actually thinking, okay, so somebody's got 50. JB's got 50 as well. So, yeah, we've got a few different guesses out there. Who was it that was thinking 100? I don't even know who was thinking it was 100. But, yeah, so I'm thinking 75. JB's thinking 50 basis points. I mean, somebody the other day was saying a full 100. So we'll have to see, man, stop glitching like that. We'll have to see what takes place there. But my basis for the 75 increase is, okay, inflation is falling a little bit, but not falling as much as expected. So I think that they're going to keep it consistent with the 75 basis points. See, but I have to hit a certain number for recession to be declared. Like, what is the threshold? Gary, excellent question. I love it, man. I love it. I will answer that right after I say, Chris, you're number one. You're number one. You're number one. You know what Chris is? He's number one. Chris, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. So in order for a recession to hit, in order for a recession to hit, D's, Clay Bros Peach. D's, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Oh my gosh. Hey, as I was saying, okay, before I was rudely asked to have the Clay Bros Peach touched, man, what a green line right there. I don't like that. We want to see nothing but red lines since we've got a put out there. Stop with the green line nonsense. Yes, recession. So, this is not like, it is technically. So the White House is changing the definition of a recession to be completely subjective. If they don't want there to be a recession, there's not a recession. If they want there to be a recession, they'll say there's a recession. But what a recession actually is 2 consecutive quarters of GDP decline. So when GDP is growing, even if it's only growing at 0.1%, that's still growth. When GDP is receding, that's an overall look at the economy. That's all the money that's transacted in the economy. When the economy is receding for 2 consecutive quarters, meaning GDP is negative 2 quarters in a row, you've got yourself a recession. We've had 2 consecutive quarters of GDP decline. So technically, we are in a recession. But because they're trying to change the definition of a recession, they're saying that we're not in one because it has to do with the labor market, it has to do with CPI, it has to do with unemployment rates and all kinds of things that it doesn't. So you mark a recession by 2 consecutive quarters of GDP decline. Idle Darkness, become a bro, baby. Listen to Idle Darkness and grab that green name. become a bro. I love it. Idle Darkness, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Michael, the most consistent super chatter in the game. Michael says, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, baby. Michael, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely loving it, man. The most consistent dude in the game. We've got fist bumps every single live stream. Michael, man, thank you very much for that. The crypto space, no one does the peach in legacy finance. They're boring. Chris, you throw a peach. It's the only peach I'm going to be showing you on this live stream. I'll tell you that right now. But nonetheless, it's a nice, juicy peach. You know it's a nice, juicy peach. There's the dark side, and then there's the bro side. Oh, yes, dark bro. Oh, yes, making crap up. Got it. Yep, and just make it up, man. Make it up. We are here each and every day. We are growing our portfolios together. D's, you act like you've seen a video before, man. I love it. So in 40 hours, we'll be saying congratulations for achieving all new lows again. Yep. That is what we will be doing. Where did my camera go? Why did the camera just cut out? Hey Clay, how you doing? Rise again. I'm doing great. I don't know if my oh my goodness, my hungover butt can deal with all of this energy. Carlo, if you turn the volume down, it's like a lot less energy if you turn the volume down. Clay bro be bouncing hard in that chair for the fist bump. Yeah, dude. I don't understand where this camera goes, man. I don't understand what's going on here. Something must be going on with the Wi-Fi or something on this phone today. Screwing everything up. We didn't tap, did we? Dang, man, how did we not? This is juicy stuff, man. This is juicy stuff. We didn't even tap yet. Loving it. What is going on, man? Hold on. I gotta fix this camera. No idea what's happening. It's disconnecting 100 times for no reason. We're back. Guess who's back? Back again. Clayton's back. Tell a friend. Wet sound. It's, dude, it's something. Something's going on today that just ain't right. Anything new or news with Pudgy? I've seen nothing. I don't know if anybody else has seen anything, but I haven't seen anything about Voyager yet. Can we take MC? Nah, Junior, we could take the QQQ off down there, man. I can keep an eye on... Sorry, I just got like a speck in my eye. I can keep my eye over here on the left-hand side of the screen to see the... to see that going, but the bottom left one is always the one that changes. If I just click on it, it changes over here, so... We'll move the QQQ over to Terra Luna Classic down at the bottom left of the screen right now. 31,200 points per coin. Terra Luna Classic looking very good right now after bouncing off 26,000 point per coin lows during the night last night. Man, crypto was getting hit hard yesterday, wasn't it? So basically, YouTubers are just farming views for whatever is hot. You really don't have faith in any smaller coins. Music study. Slightly true, but not necessarily true. So when it comes to whatever is hot, yes, there is a sense of, well, everybody's searching for and looking at Terra Luna Classic right now. So you definitely want to be talking about Terra Luna Classic. I can make a video on the Dragon Ball Z coin, you know? And I might get like 4 views on it. I like Dragon Ball Z, so therefore I think that Dragon Ball Z would be cool. But if literally nobody knows, cares about, or is interested in Dragon Ball Z coin, it doesn't really make sense to make a video about Dragon Ball Z coin. However, if everybody is flocking to and looking at something that is extremely hot, yes, it makes sense to move to that, to provide information on it. And trust me when I tell you, the people won't watch you if they don't want to. And they'll let you know that they hate your guts. If you're doing a video on Terra Luna Classic and it is, you know, not something that they want to hear or see. But it does not mean that something else is like being overlooked. So for example, Shiba Inu coin. I may not have done any videos on Shiba Inu coin in the last week and a half, but Shiba Inu coin still always sits on the top right hand side of the screen. Yes, I still have, after shaving my position when Bitcoin fell through $30,000, oh God, what, like 3 or 4 months ago now? After shaving my positions in cryptocurrencies and moving a lot over to USDC, and then of course getting stuck on Voyager with USDC, I still have all of the Shiba Inu coin that I had back then as well. We still talk about Shiba Inu coin. We still stay up to date on Shiba Inu coin, especially during the live streams, people watching it, asking about it, and so on. So yes, like I understand the idea that people that are moving towards what is hot, what is moving, what is being searched for, and stuff like that. And it does fall down to an efficiency sort of a standard, a maximizer sort of a strength. In the sense that it's very difficult to make a video, or it's very difficult to gain some traction on something that nobody's looking at. That's not to say that nobody's looking at Shiba Inu coin, but if you're trying to maximize the status and stuff, yeah, you got to go for things like Terra Luna Classic right now that's absolutely moving. But it doesn't mean that you care any more, any less. It's like, well, dude, you know, today my oldest son is graduating from high school. We're gonna have a nice little congratulatory party for him. He did good, and he got straight A's. This is awesome, but it doesn't mean that I don't love my other son and my daughter. We're just going to put a little spotlight on him for a while. I mean, okay, Goku or Vegeta. Listen, Goku, but man, I think Vegeta would tear somebody up if it came down to it. I like Goku better, but if I had to buckle down and let him know who's boss, I'd probably be playing Vegeta in that respect. Plus, I got the Vegeta hairline, dude. I mean, if you looked at this right here, like if I went full back on it, I got the Vegeta hairline for sure. And then I could get the little Majin M on me. Ooh, I'd be one bad dude. If I stood this hair straight up, like Vegeta is, oh yeah, man. Be bad news for anybody trying to come against Vegeta. Dark bro! Thank you very much for the super chat. Time to fire up the furnace, baby. Let's burn LUNC. Let's do it, Dark Bro. Facts, man. We got to burn LUNC. We got the burn tax coming on tomorrow night. The burn tax will begin, guys. If everything goes according to plan, when you wake up on Wednesday morning, it should be basically, I mean, unless you're waking up Wednesday morning in Australia, pretty much everywhere else, the burn tax will be implemented Wednesday morning when you wake up. The Shib community now knows about how the AMC community felt when AMC was abandoned for Shiba. Yep, JB, they do, man. And I'm going to tell you, one day, Terra Luna Classic community is going to know when something else is running 10x and people are talking about it, how it felt to be AMC, how it felt to be Shiba Inu coin, how it felt to be Terra Luna Classic. And then it's sad times, dude. Clay is like the distracted boyfriend meme. Shib who? Van Dyson Apostle. Is that the guy that's like walking down the road and he's like this? Oh man, look at that. Look at that, would ya? Brothers, back time to pump. Oh, Outdo Bro is here, man. Brothers, back time to pump. He did it twice, man. Outdo Bro, thank you for 2 super chats. Oh my goodness. How was this surfing vacation, man? Did you enjoy it with your son? Somebody was asking about you, didn't know where you were, wondered if you were okay, and I was like, yeah, I think you went on vacation, right? And they're like, oh, yeah, surfing trip. Outdo Bro, how you doing, my friend? Glad to have you back right now. Hopefully you had a great vacation. I've been sitting here the whole time, heard one thing about AMC and Shiba. Sorry, just heard Clay said we still talk about those plays. No more comments from me today, continuing to await death. Oh, God, dude. Oh, man. Somebody, listen, if Chris has his phone on audio with no headphones in, somebody, please buy Chris a coffee today, man. The guy needs a little pep in his step. Somebody help him out, please. How goes my 2 J-Bones? Heck yeah. Yo, y'all, thanks. I got drilled. Is that good? I hope that's good, man. I'd barely. Oh my gosh, dude! Strong current, man. That's crazy, bro. I'm making a big ribeye with loaded baked potato and some asparagus right now. Dude, it's noon, man. What are you making that right now at noon for? That's dinner time food right there. We're so close. Please, oh yeah, project the best and good intentions to the investors so we can manifest this. Wish everyone all of the best. Maya, manifesting greatness over here. Maya, thank you for the positivity. Loving it. Market's dropping more than Cispro's salary. Diffy dog. Market is dropping today, isn't it, man? I'm keeping an eye on it. We were down a little bit lower. It is bouncing back a little bit slightly right now. We've had some big green lines coming in here. Nonetheless, if we got a little curl over, we might be heading back down again. 286.85 back up. I don't know what the QQQ puts are sitting at. We may have tapped now, coming back up to here. Not exactly sure, but it might drop a little bit further here. We'll have to see what takes place there, but nonetheless, man, the QQQ is getting hit pretty hard today. What do we got here? Maybe this might be the trend line we're working with. Now it might seem to be coming up right now. Maybe I just take these things and let them go with a 10-20% gain and stop worrying about it so we don't have to look at it for the rest of the day. Otherwise, we're just sitting and going for Chris. Peak of power. Coffee for Chris right there. Chris, man, that is for you. Got a little pep in your step right now. Compliments of peak of power. Pika. Thank you very much for the super chat. And Chris, man, coffee's for you, bro. Coffee's for you. Drilled equals chin on sand, bottom and body shaped like a scorpion. Oh my god, dude. That sounds about dangerous. You need to calm down with that surfing stuff, man. That sounds like it hurt. For dinner, bro. I ain't eating that right now. If it was in front of me, I would, though. Nice, Dark Bro. Nice. That does sound really good, though. I am hungry, and it does sound like it would be really good. Just made steak, pre-preed, chips, eggs, veggie. Oh, my gosh. JB, nice, man. Lad, how are you? Alpha Q, doing good. How are you? Sitting in my trailer for lunch because not eating it sounds like more appealing than human contact because there's too many idiots, but that's why ignorance is bliss. Also, thank you, Pika. Loving it, Chris. Sit in that trailer, eating your lunch alone because you don't want to be bothered by anybody. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. I'd probably do the same thing myself. LUNC, bullish or bearish? I'm currently bullish on LUNC. Clay, if BTC having results in a higher Bitcoin price, then wouldn't a complete halt of Ethereum mining result in a significant increase in the Ethereum price? Gosh, man. I guess you would say yes. That does make sense. JB, it makes sense, man. Well, the Bitcoin halving should result in a higher price of Bitcoin because the miners are being rewarded less, and they would therefore theoretically need higher priced Bitcoin to reward them for their mining efforts. If mining stopped on Ethereum, shouldn't it result in a higher price? Maybe. But what about everybody who is still being rewarded to stake their coins and validate the transactions that way? Would those rewards go down? Therefore, a higher price would be necessary? I think following the same logic on that, right? The staking rewards would need to go down in order for the price to go up to validate or to justify the decrease in staking rewards, following the mining logic, right? B. Ramsey, the squeeze is still on, they're not on, and half the people are selling. The squeeze is tomorrow. The squeeze, yes, Chris knows. The squeeze is tomorrow, man. Yes, hyped for LUNC. LUNC for life, baby. Razi. Could you imagine if you actually did hold some Luna Classic for life? Razi, man, I don't know how old you are, but could you imagine, 40 years from now, you're still holding some Luna Classic, and it is trading back at $100 a coin? Like, could you, even if you're holding, what, 500,000 of them? Dude, you're sitting on, $50 billion. Even if you're holding a couple 100,000 of them, you're sitting on $10+ million at that point. So you say LUNC for life, but could you imagine actually holding some Luna Classic for life? It's been a ride, no doubt. B. Ramsey, it has definitely been a ride, man. Hey, Clay, bro, do you think we will see an increase immediately on the day? The 1.2% is online for LUNC. Roy Wolkin, man, here's my thoughts on that. No, not necessarily unless the burns are very, very good. So what I kind of expect to see is potentially a slight sell-off. Okay, a slight sell-off from people who don't actually care about the burns, but we're trying to jump in on the excitement. And if we see that little bit of a sell-off, it's going to be okay. However, if we do get the burn results, maybe the night of the 21st or sometime on the 22nd or whatever, and all of a sudden a few billion of them have been burnt, I think people are going to be excited, man. I think they're going to be excited, and I think it's going to result in the big price increase like you're talking about. Let's see. Crypto George. I do not. His narrative really annoys me. Every day there is a major event that will impact crypto pricing. Tip. If it's a major event, it shouldn't happen every day. This is true. Divvy Dog. I do not I do not watch. But you are right. If it happens more often, it's probably not major. Army Vet, bro! Thank you very much. I don't know if George is sitting with you right now, Army Vet, bro, but this one's for you guys, man. You got the little unicorn horn, and you... Thank you very much, Army Vet Bro and Georgia. Hopefully you guys are having a great morning today, and thank you for the unicorn super sticker. One point we'll say, everyone talks crap about people's attention spans, but have been doing the same thing by switching play after play when we can't finish one, but I'm still poor, so don't listen to me. Yeah, dude, it is really, really tough to get people to focus on something for a very long time, and I completely understand the frustration, man. Trust me. I'm absolutely frustrated with it, too. If AMC would have squeezed to $1,000, $2,000 a share last year, do you know how happy I would have been? Do you know how happy that it would have made everybody? It would have been absolutely incredible to see that price action. Clay, do you think Coinbase will relist rapidly? Michael, I hope so. But I don't know if they can't handle the volatility and the decline in price, and that's why they delisted it. I don't know if they'll be relisting it because it's still just as volatile, man. Probably won't fall back down to nothing like it did before, but it is definitely still volatile. Plan to hold 500,000 for at least 20 years unless I hit $1 billion on just then. I'll sell the rest millions to get my sale points. Oh my God, Hemi Life. I love it, man. Let's see. Bro, I am fully prepared for Fed 100 basis point bullcrap on Wednesday. Mark Lee, yeah, man. I'm going for potential 75 basis point increase in whale dump before the burns activity. Dan, the 18-ton truck man. I'm not necessarily looking for a whale dump, but I am looking for people who only are in Terra Luna Classic right now for the sense that they're buying the rumor and potentially going to sell the news of the burns. If they're buying it because they're excited about the burns and they're buying people's excitement, I do think that there will be a group of people that do sell off. Clickbait Chris Korn, if you are going to add value to people's lives and make it worth their while, heck yeah, always, dude. If we don't get $1, we will all have a Claybro tattoo. Come on, guys, who's with me? Not me, man. Not me. Unless it's like just a picture of my face with the unicorn horn right on your shoulder. Now that is something I'm interested in. Let's get started. Hello, can I touch your 2 eggs? Van Lay, I got a whole carton of eggs downstairs, man. If you want me to bring them up here, I'll let you touch them. What's up, bro? What's going on? And Emma D's in here. What's up, man? Any news for Luna? Roberto FL. So some of the latest news for Terra Luna Classic right now is that burn tax or burn proposal, I believe 4731 was the number, 4371, whatever the number was, stating that the Terra Luna Classic community wants centralized exchanges to know that we are expressing our desire for Terra Luna Classic to be burnt on all spot and margin trades on exchange transactions as well as on-chain transactions. So that proposal passed with over 99% yes votes. I believe like 0.60 or 0.67 was abstain. And then only 0.03% people voted no on that. And look, those 0.03% people that voted no, they probably voted no because they obviously could see that it was going to pass, and they just wanted to be different. They knew it was going to pass with 99+% votes. They probably don't actually think that it shouldn't be burned. So that's, I think, the latest news on Terra Luna Classic right now. Clean your screen, B. Ramsey. Clean that screen. Did you hear the BS response by President about inflation? No, Rozzy. I didn't hear it specifically. I try not to listen to nonsense, man, and stuff that makes me mad. And anytime somebody, even Jerome Powell sometimes, man, it's not like just politics. But when you've got somebody who is obviously in front of you lying to get you to calm down or feel better. If I was literally sitting here every single day and telling you, oh, Rozzy, calm down. Terra Luna Classic is guaranteed to go up. It's not a risky play at all. You need to get into Terra Luna Classic right now because, as a matter of fact, it's guaranteed to make you a millionaire. You should be buying it. If you're not buying it, you're doing something wrong. You know, if I was sitting here lying to you every day, telling you something that's not risky, telling you it's guaranteed, telling you this, telling you that, I wouldn't like that. And the same way, Jerome Powell tries to tell us that the labor market is in excellent condition, therefore we don't have to worry about inflation. When the White House or the press secretary, whoever it is, stands up there and says, well, you know what, Americans are seeing a reduction in gas prices right now, so that's actually saving you $300 a month per family. Dude, if you go back to a year and a half ago, we're still paying $300 a month more for gas now than we were a year and a half ago. So there's a lot of nonsense out there that I truly try not to feed into because it does. Like it gets a rise out of me, man. And I don't like that. So, no, I didn't see it, but yes, I can absolutely imagine what they're saying and trying to cover themselves and telling you that inflation's not bad, it's not their fault, they've got it under control, all of this nonsense. I really can't buy into it because it does make me mad. Deez, thank you for the super sticker. Deez says, how do you eat a hot dog, man? I heard somebody was grilling a steak, but I'm going to be grilling hot dogs, and I want to know. You take the hot dog, you dip it. You dip the hot dog in your favorite dip. Whatever your favorite dip is, you dip it in, and then you shove it. Deez, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that. Loving it, Deez. Got some puts for the Qs on Wednesday. Let's see how these work out. One on Bronson, very nice. I may have just tapped. I'm not sure. I got a 10% stop loss on. I don't know if I'm going to tap or not. I know I'd probably tap right here if it does come back up. Probably looking at it right now, it does seem like I probably should have sold off in this area unless we get a sell-off and I haven't tapped already. I got a 10% guarantee on the puts that I bought this morning. So we'll see how that plays out. I was hoping for a little bit of a decline, but it seems like this line right here may be too heavy of support for it to break down. This descending trend is doing nothing, so we'll get rid of that right now. But may have tapped at... they might be the 286s. They might be the 286s. They were sitting at 25 cents, maybe. I don't know what they're at right now, though. Might have been the 286s. Rozzy! Thank you. Roberto, I'll get to you in a second. All of you guys, I'll try to catch back up, but I got to go. Rozzy, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. Rozzy says, how do you eat that banana, dude? What's the lick and stick technique? I forgot all about that. You peel the banana, you maintain eye contact the entire time. Tilt the head back a little bit, you lick it, you stick it. Thank you very much, Rozzy, for the super sticker. Love you guys. Absolutely destroying it today. You made a friend with Georgia. He knows my name, so we are pretty much best friends. Facts on that. Georgia, it is true. My name is Clay. Hopefully, you remember my name, and we can be friends, because your name I will always remember. Unless, of course, your dad changes his screen name. Then I'm not going to know that it's him, so he's got to keep the same screen name. All right, got to keep the same screen name. But yes, Georgia, we are definitely friends. Here we go, D's. Oh yes, should have an academy showing people new guys how to invest. Yeah, Elio, I actually tried to do like an options trading class that I was putting out there and uploading as I was on vacation. But, dude, stupid me, man. I had the C word. I was sick with the C word while I was down there, and I needed to clear up some space on my phone. and I wasn't even thinking straight, and deleted 6 of those videos. I wanted to do like it was like a 10 or 11 session or video, basically beginner to decent options trading terminology and stuff like that. And then I was going to throw it all together and make like an options trading masterclass. But I'm going to have to redo that series because I definitely jacked up the videos by deleting them there. Can you cover KuCoin? Yeah, Stolen Valor. What do you mean by cover KuCoin? Like go in and show you about it or what? Like like a tutorial on how to use? Or are you talking like talk about it, or what are you saying? If everybody in the chat joins a LUNC, Binance, AMA, and spams, we want spot burning LUNC. That would be nice. I don't know if they will even listen to us, but that would be nice if they actually did. But I'm sorry for these burns. Final hour, and these exchanges can look anywhere and see what the people want. We are united. We are lunatics. Heck yeah, Bronson, dog. Kind of like everyone understands, but doesn't change. Even when you want to slam your head against the ground because you repeat the same thing every day and people still don't get it. But patience, my friend, patience. Yes, Chris knows exactly how frustrating it is, man. I can see it. How long do burns typically take to register on the value? Robert, excellent question. So if you burn the coins today, will you see an immediate reaction in the price? I believe is what you're asking there. No, you won't. How long do they take? So it's like this. If you went out and burnt right now 50% of the supply of Terra Luna Classic, let's say Binance, let's actually say Binance owns like 3 trillion instead of 2 trillion or whatever. And let's say Binance just went out, burnt everything they have, and it reduced the supply of Terra Luna Classic by 50%. That doesn't guarantee you that the price doubles, okay? It actually has no effect on the price until people see, okay, well, the price is, the supply is cut in half now. We can actually buy more of it. It's worth more. So it's the perception on the lessened supply that allows the price to go higher. Just burning it doesn't guarantee that the price moves up, but as long as demand remains the same, as long as people say, oh, this is a $2 billion project, we should see the price go up by double now so we get back to that $2 billion market cap. People still need to buy at those levels in order to drive the price up there and regain that market cap and that value. If they say, oh, well, now it's only worth $500 million, well, that burn didn't really do anything, did it? Alexander, thank you very much for the super chat. Alexander says, thank you for being honest. Alexander, thank you for being here, man. Look, I wouldn't feel right if I was one of those dudes that was sitting here telling you every single day, LUNC's going to $1, it's going to the dollar by the end of 2022. You know, if you're sitting here and you're listening to me say that, and then it doesn't go to $1 by the end of 2022, you're going to be like, well, what the heck, man? What the heck? And I'm like, well, I thought it was going to $1. Burns, we're going to burn 50 billion the first day, or 500 billion coins the first day. It's guaranteed we burn 500 billion coins first day that the burn tax is here. First day the burn tax comes around, we burn 5 billion. Well, I thought we were going to burn 500 billion. It's my mistake. You know, at that point, it's like the boy who cried wolf, dude. As soon as you lie to somebody 500 times, they're not going to want to hang out with you anymore. They're not going to want to listen to you anymore. It's not beneficial. So I try my best to marry a sense of realism and optimism. You know, because I realize we need to stay optimistic if we ever expect to stay in the game. If we lose all hope, we will leave the game. We will give up. We will stop. And when we do that, we lose, man. I mean, it's a guaranteed loss at that point. You don't stand a chance of winning the game if you're not even playing. So I try my best to couple a sense of optimism, yet realism that, okay, well, I know that going up to $1 in price and everybody sitting on $50 million by the end of the year is unrealistic. So you got to remind people that it's unrealistic, and you can't let them believe that that's guaranteed. So Alexander, man, thank you very much for that super chat, and thank you very much for the feedback there. Man, I love this group of people. I don't hold LUNC or AMC, but still hanging here daily. I should buy a little bit of both, just on GP. On GP. Good principles? I don't even know now. M&D. I don't know what GP stands for. Hey, only if you want, M&D. You don't have to, but if you want, absolutely. You know, if you don't want to, we really do have the best group of people in here. M&D. Facts on that. You know it. Clipper, how to buy LUNC with KuCoin. Okay, so Stolen Valor. I might be able to do a video like that, but it is very simple. If you sign up for KuCoin, you're going to see it's always on the first page, man. It's always on the first page. So there's this little box that has, like, you can either search for Terra Luna Classic if you want, or you can click the gem box because it's always the most traded coin on the KuCoin platform. It's going to pull up Terra Luna Classic. You're going to see charts very similar to what you're seeing on the screen right now. Red and green lines. You're going to have some buy and sell buttons. And if you don't want to do margin trading, which I wouldn't recommend if you're brand new, if you don't want to do margin trading, you would simply go in there and you would buy Terra Luna Classic. Click the buy button, type in how much you want, and of course, if you've made your deposits and all of that stuff, then you can go in and buy as much as you want. Some of these YouTubers are ridiculous. Oh my god, breaking news is breaking. Oh my gosh, there's a LUNC to $1. Become the lunatics. Yeah, Dark Bro, I saw a lot of that last year with AMC stuff too, and I don't know if it's the breaking news or the leaked information or the exposed information that people think is like exciting or enticing or something, but man, they do get a lot of views on those breaking news videos. Emma, I actually don't own anything we talk about in here either. JB just likes to hang out. Oh yes, man. I should have bought more LUNC than I did last night. Still hold my AMC. DD214 still hold my AMC as well. Yeah, if you guys jumped in last night and bought that dip at like 26, 27,000 points per coin, you'd still be up about 10, 15, 20% right now. KuCoin is very user-friendly. Yeah, KuCoin's actually not bad. KuCoin's a little intimidating at first, I will say. It is intimidating with all of the different like buttons and rewards and stuff like that they got on the screen there. But nonetheless, man, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, this guy dropped cash something. Army vet, bro, in Georgia. Thank you very much for the. You're number one. You're number one. You're number one. Georgia, you know what you are? You're number one. Thank you very much, Army Vet Bro and Georgia, for the super sticker. Really appreciate you guys. You guys are absolutely number one. Thank you very much. Georgia's incredible. I know Georgia picked that one out. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Thank you very much, Georgia. Clay, what do you think about Sonic? I have about 3 billion tokens. A lot of people interested in Tonic Tectonic, right? Because you got excellent staking and rewards there. So as long as these centralized exchanges like Chronos continue to do well, man, and the bull market picks back up, I don't mind Tectonic. I don't know too much about it. I've never really gone into a full in-depth review of it or looked it up and stuff, but I do think that it can do pretty well because a lot of people ask the same question and they want to know more about Tectonic. So it does show that there's a lot of interest in it. Article 1, Section 10, no state shall make anything but silver and gold and tender in payments of debts you are owed silver and gold as minted coins, not dollars, for your crypto. 3 pharaohs, man. I'm very sorry. I know I missed something on that, though. I know I missed something, dude. Army Vet Bro for president. Let's get it, man. I have 10 billion of Tonic. It's a long-term investment. Mark, man. Very nice. And we're ticking back up here. I can almost guarantee we're out at this point. I do want to double check that right now to see if it is... to see if it's done there. Yep. Did tap out. Did tap out with a 10% gain. So... good deal. Stopped out on that one. And actually, where is it sitting? Actually, 14% gain, so not bad. Let's see here. Good decision or bad decision? 14% gain. Currently sitting at 21. Oh, yes. Ended up being a very good decision. I would have been down by 20% right now. Cool. I'll take it, man. I'll take it. Whatever. One of these days, it'll keep rolling. One of these days, it'll keep rolling. Not bad at all. All right, now we can forget about the QQQ on the chart. We can watch Terra Luna Classic down here. but did end up getting out of those puts with apparently like a 14.5% gain, 15% gain. I think it was 14.5. It said, and it would have been down about 15 or 20% right now. So good deal. Glad to be out. Moved on. Mine expired today, Bronson. I was sitting on the 286s that expired today. Nice. Probably a good exit for me right there with a 15% gain. The 286s, I think I got out at 28 cents. Sitting at 21 cents right now. So, decent exit. I'm not going to sit there and risk it for the next 3.5 hours. Might hit a huge red line and might have been a mistake to get out. Yeah, might have been a mistake to get out if we got a huge red line come on here. But there's a lot of risk in holding something that could expire worthless in a couple hours. Nice, Clay. I'm not worrying about Qs till tomorrow. There you go. One and only Bronson. Loving it, man. Yeah, I had to worry about mine today. Mine expired today. Let's see. LUNC is down at the bottom left of the screen right now. Most fuel, LUNC is sitting at 30,877 points per coin right now. Stop, dude. Profit. Heck yeah. One and only Bronson. Good deal, man. 14.5%, man. Whatever. Wasn't a huge trade day either today. It wasn't a huge trade, so just it's better than a loss. It wasn't a huge day either way though. So even if it did continue to run, it wouldn't have been ridiculous or anything like that. Let's see. LUNC, buy or sell right now? Okay, I think it's a buy. Now I will say this: if we do see a lot of speculation leave after the burn tax is initiated. If we got the burn tax come out and Terra Luna Classic all of a sudden burns a couple $100 million the first couple days, I think you're going to see a lot of disappointed people, man. At that point, here's what I think. You're not going to like this if you're a LUNC holder, but it's real. At that point, I think you're going to lose a lot of retail. I think you're going to lose a lot of people who simply thought that they were going to become billionaires by the end of the year, and they get out. So I wouldn't have a problem taking profits if you've got them, or sitting there and if you're on a slight loss, getting out, shaving, or whatever, because I think we could absolutely see it drop back down to 10,000, 12,000, 16,000 points per coin again if we're only burning a couple $100 million with the new burn tax. Now, if you still believe in rebuilding the blockchain, I absolutely think that you could enter at some of those levels there and hold it for the longer term. If centralized exchanges, or if we get one major centralized exchange to announce that they're doing the 1.2% burn tax, that's going to be a game changer. And I think at that point, we see that speculation and that hype again. It could even be similar to what we saw with Shiba Inu coin, when Shiba Inu coin was running back in October, and everybody was speculating that Robinhood would list Shiba Inu coin. So I think that we can have that type of excitement if we get an exchange to announce that they're doing the 1.2% burn tax. Rozzy, thanks for the realness. I need a Claybro shirt as soon as possible. Luna for life. Heck yeah, Rozzy, you do, man. You do need a Claybro shirt. We need to get some Claybro stuff going on. Dude, I've been using, you guys, we're going to do some, if you don't have TikTok, or if you do have TikTok, I want to do some giveaways with TikTok here pretty soon too, because I've been making a couple TikToks per day and just putting the Claybro YouTube logo on it and just treating it. I don't even care about the views or anything over there. Well, I do care about the views, but like they don't monetize or anything. Dude, I'm using that stuff as free advertising. I'll make a couple videos a day, post them, and use that stuff as free advertising, basically just getting people to see the Claybro YouTube logo and me doing a video about Terra Luna and stuff like that. So if you guys are on TikTok and you want to follow me over there or whatever, go follow me on TikTok. But I do want to do some sort of like a repost on TikTok or share a video on TikTok and potentially win some shirts that way as well. So make sure to check that out. It's just Claybro883 over there. Same deal as always. But the craziest title I've seen so far is linked to $1 in 28 days. Like... Oh, God. LUNC could go to $1 in 28 days if we were burning a couple $100 billion Terra Luna Classic in 28 days. whoever did that video probably took the highest volume day that we had at whatever price that it was, like the lowest price that day, and saw that we could have burnt like 200 billion or something Terra Luna Classic, or 500 billion Terra Luna Classic that day. And then they probably said, if we could just get this to happen 28 days in a row, then yes, we will absolutely be $1 in 28 days. Unfortunately, the math doesn't work out like that, so it is funny to see that type of stuff. But yeah, man, I don't know. That's a little far-fetched. I do want to post the Discord. I see somebody, Hut, joined the Discord right now. If you guys do want to join the Discord, there's the link right there. I will pin it to the top of the screen. So make sure, guys. Oh my gosh, 78 likes in here, guys. Click the like button too. I see Twitter people. Please at least get it over 100 likes. Don't be lazy. Click that like button. But Discord, if you guys want to join the free Discord, I see Hut, man. If you're in here right now, join the Discord. Really appreciate that. If you guys want a shout out on the Discord, shoot, man, join now and I'll give you a shout out. Voyager release and MOAS tomorrow. Moji, if we get a Voyager release and MOAS tomorrow, I will be a double happy man. One Claybro giveaways, AMC Trapper, especially with the hoodies. We got to do those hoodies soon. I'm gonna try and get J Bones' hoodie mailed out to him, and then we'll do J Bones' giveaways, so you guys can have hoodies right for the start of the fall there. We'll have 5 more hoodies to give away. And then we could do some t-shirt giveaways as well. Click the like button. Missing link. Do it, man. 78 likes is low with 200 people. Come on now. Who we got for the Mad Flipper in the Discord? I have narrowed it down to 3 people. I don't even know what the Mad Flipper is, man. Musk will be pumping. Let him help with the burns. Dude, if Musk is pumping anything, perfect. I'm in. Sometimes when the AMC web, nice jump. Oh my god. DD214. That's the first full day after LUNC burns happen too. It's gonna be a beautiful day if we get AMC to pump on the 22nd. Dude, could you imagine if AMC, Shiba, and Terra Luna Classic all pump at the same time? I'll be happy. Emoji gets a hoodie by default for that wrench deal last week. Ooh, he could. What is a Mad Flipper? I have no idea, J-Bones. I don't know what the Mad Flipper is. But I do know J-Bones is in charge. J-Bones is in charge of those hoodies, man. Those come from J-Bones, not me. Is there any daily withdrawal limits for CDC? CDC. I'm not getting CDC. Dude, the only CDC I'm thinking about right now is the Center for Disease Control or whatever it is. What is CDC? There's probably a daily withdrawal limit on something, man. It's probably 50,000, so I don't know if you got to worry about it, but there probably is a daily withdrawal limit, whatever you're talking about. New here, how to get a Claybro hoodie. Stolen Valor Kid. I've only got 5 hoodies right now, okay? I got 2 mediums, 1 large, and 2 XLs. J-Bones, very, very generous in wanting to do a giveaway with some hoodies there. So J-Bones absolutely destroying that. Really appreciate him. And we're going to have to figure that out from J-Bones, man. But bro hoodies will be available soon. I'm going to try and get J-Bones' out hopefully today. And then you guys will be able to do yours and get a giveaway maybe this week. I don't know if J-Bones wants to do it this week. So you guys can get it maybe early next week or something. And get your hoodies by the time the weather starts to change a little bit and hoodie weather starts rolling around. It's going to be nice, man. Alexander, thank you for the super chat. Alexander says, thank you for the super sticker. Thank you, Alexander. Thank you, Alexander. Thank you, Alexander. One more time, guys. Thank you, Alexander, for the super sticker, man. Really appreciate you, especially the double super sticker, super chats today, man. Alexander, thank you very much. Alexander, could you send to me? That's a fortune for me. Is Chang? You're up next, man. 1 is spoken for already. Definitely 1 is spoken for by J-Bones. J-Bones, hook me up, bro. Claire, my man. Isaac, Hayut. You're my man, dude. My birthday is on the 21st, so hoodie giveaway on Wednesday. Yeah, DD214. We could do a hoodie giveaway on Wednesday. I won't have them all made on Wednesday because if you guys, they're all gray hoodies, but if you guys want like a black bro or a red bro, blue bro, you know, whatever color you want, we could customize that part of it. I don't care about doing a little customize on that. Oh, cdccrypto.com. Could be. Yeah, I might have missed it. Is that what it was? Is that what CDC is? Daily withdrawal limit? And I'm sure they have a daily withdrawal limit, dude. I'm sure they do. I just don't know what it is. Just a thought. Once 1.2% is active, everyone holds on to Binance withdrawals to Terra Station. Let's call it 2 trillion on-chain volume them. That'd be a massive burn rate. Yes. Chris, yes. If that happened, jeez, dude. 2 trillion coins. Basically 1/3 of the entire. Yeah, dude, that would be huge, because that would be a lot of money, man. That would be a very large burn. Crap, I work Wednesday. Moji. New design thought. Bro logo on front. Punisher bro on back. Ooh, J-Bones. You could absolutely do that, man. You could absolutely do a big Punisher bro on the back if you wanted, man. With the little bro. If you want to change it, I plan on making yours. After the live stream and hopefully being able to go to the post office and get it out, dude. I was going to cut the big black bro and the little black bro. If you want Punisher bro and like the little black bro on the front, let me know, man. Let me know. Unless you want to think about it a little longer. If you want to think about it and kick it around, dude, think about it and kick it around. That's cool. But if you want the Punisher bro on the back, and then you want the little black bro on the front right there, both of them black, right? I can do both of them black. Do that, please. Is that the one you want, dude? You want little black bro on the front left here, and then big Punisher bro on the back. Both of them black. All right, sweet. I'll make it happen, man. That's gonna be a nice hoodie, dude. That's gonna be a nice hoodie. I like it. J-Bones, man. J-Bones coming in hot with that one. That one's gonna look pretty sweet. Punisher bro on the back, 100. JB says that's a nice one. We got J-Bones and JB agreeing on that one. All right, sweet. Both black. We got Punisher bro on the back and little black bro on the front. Sweet, man. Oh, that actually sounds sweet. I don't get why Binance and KuCoin don't want to support the burns as it's meant to be. Rozzy, I can't fathom it either. They're not burning their money at that point. It's still you burning your transaction. You know what I mean? You're the one being taxed. It's not Binance being taxed at that point. You're the one being taxed. So I really can't fathom why they're not doing it. It does not make any sense at all to me. No sense whatsoever. I will take 2 buncher, bro. Both black. It's stolen. Stolen's got his request out there right now. We'll have to see. Hey, how the QQQ plays been? Last one that I know was a 93% gain. Yeah, I had a couple losses last week, outdoor, bro, and then I just hit a 14.5% gain this week. So, yeah, that 93 was not last Friday, but I think the Friday before. And I had a couple losses last week, and then just hit a 14.5% gain this week. How much are the hoodies? Clowny. Not for sale, dude. Not for sale. The hoodies are going to be giveaway only. Compliments of J-Bones, man. Compliments of J-Bones. J-Bones sent a bunch of hoodies over, so we got 5 hoodies left to give away. And we'll have to figure out how he wants to do it, but we'll be doing it, and they're unfortunately not for sale. It's just going to be giveaways. Unfortunately or fortunately, however you want to look at it. If you win one, clearly it's sweet that you don't have to buy one. But it's not like if you really, really want one that you can just go out and buy one, because I don't have any spare hoodies or anything like that to I guess, sell right now. Dang, that'll be a nice hoodie. DD214, that will be a pretty sweet hoodie, won't it? Back in my day, we walked both ways, or walked uphill both ways in the blizzard without even a cardigan. Well, grumpy old man, now you've got a nice bro hoodie to keep you warm while you're walking uphill both ways. 600 verified members of Discord. Boom! Boom, baby. 600 verified members in the Discord, baby. Oh, yes. Guys, the Discord is absolutely free. If you want to jump in it, look, it's basically an extension of this chat right here. If you've got a green name in YouTube, you do have full access. There is a section that you don't have access to if you don't have a green name. But nonetheless, I mean, it's a free Discord, and from what I can see, everybody is very respectful. It's a good place to be. So join the Discord if you guys want to join the Discord. The link is at the top of the screen. All you got to do, click on that link, and then there's a little rules and verification page. Just read the rules, man. Basically the rules say don't be dumb, exercise good judgment, don't be an idiot, and then click the little green check mark. You're good to go. Then you're in. Once you click that little green check mark, there's a role selection page. So if you want to jump into specific categories, AMC Stock, NFTs, Terra Luna Classic, Shiba Inu coin, GameStop, stuff like that, you can do a different role selection so you don't see all the different, what are they called? I don't even know what they're called, man. Channels? Pages? Chats? I don't even know what the things are called in there. But yeah, if you don't want all of them to show up, you don't have to have all of them show up there. You can do your own role selection. I can make bro keychains. Dark bro, nice. I still got a couple sis bro keychains that she made. Bro knives would be pretty sweet. Bro knives would be pretty cool. How much for a bro knife? Yeah, that would be pretty cool. Chat rooms. All right, yeah, all the different chat rooms that are over there. You don't have to participate in all of them. You don't want. You can mute a lot of them and not even bring them up if you don't want to click on it. All right, Clay, bro, we are looking good. Matthew, oh yes, man. Dang, now looking, I'm pretty glad that I got out with that 10% stop because I would be down pretty heavy right now with all of these green lines that we'd be hitting. Honestly, though, you would have got your calls right here. You would have been in a better position than that 15% gain if you would have jumped on those calls right there. So, stop loss, really doing what stop losses are meant to do right there. Stopping losses and guaranteeing profit. That'd be sick. Wouldn't that be sick, though? Wouldn't a Claybro, like a custom-made Claybro or bro knife be sweet? If LUNC gets to $2, I'll fly there and show you how I eat bananas. Come on, $2. Come on, $2. Come on, $2. What? Dude, some of you guys come up with the best stuff, man. Some of you guys come up with the best stuff. Oh, God. Why can't it just get to a... Why does it have to go all the way to 2? Like, 1 pound. Just let it go to 1 pound. God, dude, now I gotta pump the crap out of Terra Luna Classic till it reaches 2 pounds. This is ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. It's like $2.50. Oh man. Well, you guys are about to see 6 Terra Luna Classic videos per day coming out here. I gotta double my output. You guys are gonna see 6 Terra Luna Classic videos on YouTube. You're gonna see 6 Terra Luna Classic videos on Twitter. I'm gonna start buying advertisements. Oh man. Oh man. You guys. I don't know how you guys come up with this stuff. My God. Let's see. You only get 2. All right, yeah. So you got 500,000. We need to make sure we get it up to 2 pounds. Zoe, I got you. We'll make sure that we get Terra Luna Classic up to 2 pounds, and we don't even have to hold you to your end of the deal. All right, we don't have to hold your end of the deal. We'll make sure it gets to 2 pounds. You guys are wild, man. Wild. Let me get a template set up and figure out my process for production. I'll let y'all know. Keep in mind that I can personalize them too. Dude, Pudgy's the knife man, dude. That actually sounds sweet. Pudgy, like legitimately, what kind of knives do you actually make, Pudgy? Like, I don't know what kind of knives you make. I'm not gonna sit there with some sort of a hunting knife or anything. But dude, if I had a knife that I could actually use, like, can you use them in the kitchen? Dude, I got this one knife. I always use the same knife in the kitchen, right? I always use the same exact knife. It's like my go-to knife from cutting anything. You got a whole knife, whatever the thing is, where you got like 20 knives in there. You got your whole knife collection there. I always use the same knife. Always use the same knife. I don't know if you guys do the same thing or not, but I just always go to the same knife. Doesn't matter if I'm cutting a stinking tomato or if I'm cutting a steak. I always go to the same knife. I can make anything out of metal. Ah, dude, I love this. Pudgy killing it now. Deez, thank you for the banana. Deez says, how's that? An AMC Trapper coming too. Deez, man, thank you for that banana. You take the banana, you peel it, you keep that eye contact, you tilt the head back, you lick it, you stick it. Deez, thank you very much. And Rozzy says, Clay, show us how to eat that hot dog. You take the hot dog, man, and you dip the hot dog in your favorite dip. Whatever your favorite dip is, you dip it down, and then you shove it. You gotta... One bite. Oh, man, I'm losing my stamina. AMC Trapper, this one's for you, man. I'm thinking about you. I'm looking at you right now. You take that banana, you keep that eye contact, you tilt the head back, you lick it, you stick it. Thank you very much, AMC Trapper, Deez, and Rozzy for the super stickers. You guys are absolutely wild, man. Wild. Red flag, so weird. Extremely weird. Red flag, the actual weird part is that my mom watches sometimes. I don't even know. I actually have a bunch of in my dehydrator at the moment. House smells like banana bread. Cassie, I love the smell of banana bread. Smells delicious. Rozzy, thank you for another banana. Rozzy says, Zoe who, man? Zoe who? Claybro knows how to eat the banana. You take that banana, you peel it, you tilt that head back a little bit, you lick it, and you stick it. Eye contact the entire time. Rozzy, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. You guys are having a good Monday morning. I can tell. Rozzy, man, killing it. For goodness sakes, mate. Oh, yes. Red flag. I'm telling you, dude. Weird, isn't it? Weird. But these people don't know how to eat food. They don't know how to eat hot dogs. They don't know how to eat bananas. We got to teach them. J-Bones, put me down for 2 large, a Punisher, a bro, both black. How much for a knife? Stolen's like, just put me down, man. Put me down for all this stuff. Quick, have you ever been kicked out of the produce section at a supermarket? DD214? To this day? Nope. Nope. The answer is no, man. Answer is no. Dude, I'm in a public train, like the guy next to me thinking yeah, red flag, it might be possible. But that's why we got the graphs up on the screen right now. So even if he does think that, at least he thinks you're rich, right? You got the graphs out there. He's like, oh, well, hey, man, this guy's doing good. He's investing right now. He's doing something right. Well, we're just eating a banana in the morning. Rise again. That's all I'm doing, man. Can we get a hoodie with a banana on it? Yeah, but it might not be a good banana. So I don't have the capability of, like doing multiple color prints and stuff. So I could technically do a yellow banana or literally any color banana. But it's all gotta be the same color, right? So like when you do the bro logo, like if you were doing like a rogue logo like this, you know, it's all the same color. It's just a one print like that. So if you're doing the bro logo, it's just an all like a print like that. So unless like it was a banana patterned vinyl or something, I don't know what a banana would actually look like. I don't know if a banana would look good just printed like that. Not sure. If it looked good, yeah, we could do one. But I can't like actually print a picture of a banana and then press the picture of a banana. Does burning start from tomorrow, 29/9/20? What time does it start? So Ali, the way you wrote that date, I'm assuming you're somewhere in Europe time zone. So it starts, or should start, starts at a certain block height, should start at like 2 a.m. Eastern time on September 21st. So tomorrow night, I'm gonna go to bed. And then in the middle of the night while I'm sleeping, the burns are going to start. For you, if you're over in some European time zone or whatever, it should start, depending on when you wake up, man, it should start right around the time that you wake up. So on September 21st. If you live in California, tomorrow night at like 11 p.m., it's going to start for you. Or should, theoretically start for you around that time. It starts at a certain block height. Rozzy, thank you for the ice cream. Rozzy, Juana used to send these ice cream cones to me. And I really appreciate it, man. Because every time somebody sends an ice cream, it reminds me of Juana. Juana, if you're listening right now, we all miss you. please be active in the chat. My goodness, Juana, we all miss you. And if she's not in here, I don't know what to do. I do miss Juana. Rozzy, thank you very much for the super sticker. Well, guys, it is past 1 o'clock now. Really appreciate everybody for hanging out. Get your name in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs. We will be back a little bit later with a live stream and then videos this evening. But nonetheless, man, DD14, shout out to you. Matthew, Stolen, AMC Trapper saying, peace out to the Diamond Hand Apes and the Lunatics. Rise Again, Pudgy, Elio, D's, Dark Bro, Rozzy, Dummy, King Mamba, Dummy, JB. It is 1 o'clock. We've got Kenneth, Randy, Michael, Stolen, Dark Bro, Randy, Zoe. Thank you very much for the great morning, Zoe. Thank you very much for the great morning. Rise Again. And we get Rozzy with another super chat. Rozzy, man, thank you very much for the super chats today. Absolutely destroying it, man. Really appreciate you and all of the support there, man. Absolutely awesome. Moji, Keith, later to you. The Long Manageable. See ya. Primitive, thank you for grabbing that green name today, Primitive. Red Flag, peace out to you, Chris, Kenneth, JB, DD214, later to you, Cassie. Until the next time, oh yes. King Mamba, Dummy, Abdallah, peace, bro. See you later. You guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. This dude coming in here with another super sticker. Rozzy, thank you very much for the super sticker. Destroying it. I knew he was going to do it. I was sitting here watching, waiting for it. Rozzy, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. And I got to catch up on these names now. We got Abdallah, Stolen, Outdo Bro, Solar, D's, Uncle Chicken, Crystal, Dummy, Rise Again, King Mamba, Rozzy for the super chat. Double A, Dummy, JC, Los, Kenneth, Rozzy, D's, DD214, and Pudgy. Now you guys know what time it is. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.